Hello and welcome back to my channel. Iraqi Dinar reshape the future of the Iraqi Dinar. Digital transformation, currency reforms, and market speculation. The Iraqi Dinar has been at the center of financial speculation for years, but recent developments have renewed interest in its potential. Iraq's economy is gradually stabilizing, digital banking is expanding, and discussions about removing zeros from the currency have resurfaced. These factors, along with fluctuations in the dinar's exchange rate, have sparked debates about whether Iraq is on the brink of a financial breakthrough. In this article, we'll dive into Iraq's digital transformation, the economic impact of currency reforms, and the significance of the dinar's recent surge in Forex markets. We'll also analyze what these changes mean for investors, businesses, and Iraq's long-term financial future. Iraq's digital transformation and financial modernization. In recent years, Iraq has made strides in modernizing its financial sector. The rise of digital banking, electronic payments, and fintech solutions has signaled a shift away from traditional banking methods. This transformation is crucial in a country where cash transactions have historically dominated the economy. The push for digital banking. Iraq's central bank has been actively promoting digital banking solutions to improve financial transparency, reduce corruption, and facilitate economic growth. The government has encouraged the use of electronic payment systems for salaries, business transactions, and even social welfare programs. This shift not only enhances security but also integrates Iraq into the global financial system. Digital banking also plays a key role in attracting foreign investment. International investors are more likely to engage with a country that offers secure, efficient, and transparent financial systems. As Iraq continues to modernize, it is positioning itself as a more attractive destination for foreign capital. How digital finance impacts currency stability. One of the major benefits of digital banking is its potential impact on currency stability. A well-regulated financial system can help Iraq manage inflation, prevent money laundering, and establish stronger control over monetary policies. As more transactions move online, the government gains better oversight of financial activities, reducing the risk of economic instability. The transition to digital finance is happening at an unprecedented pace. While challenges remain, such as cybersecurity risks and the need for widespread internet access, the shift is a clear indicator that Iraq is moving towards a modern, tech-driven financial landscape. The Iraqi dinar and recent Forex market activity. One of the biggest talking points in financial circles has been the Iraqi dinar's sudden appearance on Forex platforms at an unusually high exchange rate. Reports indicated that the dinar was briefly listed at an astonishing $3.47 per unit, sparking intense speculation about whether this was a temporary fluctuation or a sign of deeper economic changes. Understanding the exchange rate surge. A sharp rise in a currency's exchange rate can result from several factors, including market speculation, government policies, or external economic influences. In Iraq's case, the recent surge could be attributed to increasing confidence in its economy, fueled by its vast oil reserves and ongoing financial reforms. While the exchange rate quickly normalized, the incident raised important questions. Was this an error, a market test, or a sign of an upcoming revaluation? The lack of clear answers has only fueled further debate. Foreign interest in the Iraqi dinar. The dinar has long been a subject of interest among currency traders, especially those who believe in the possibility of a significant revaluation. Iraq's abundant oil reserves, improving financial regulations, and growing trade partnerships have led some investors to speculate that the dinar's value could rise in the future. However, currency revaluation is a complex process. It requires strong economic fundamentals, international support, and a stable political environment. While Iraq has made progress, challenges remain, including inflation control, debt management, and political stability. The removal of zeros. What it means for Iraq's economy. One of the most significant financial discussions in Iraq revolves around the potential removal of zeros from the dinar. This policy, often referred to as deleting zeros, is a currency reform strategy aimed at simplifying transactions and strengthening confidence in the national currency. What does removing zeros mean? Currently, Iraq's currency includes high-denomination notes, such as 10,000 and 25,000 dinars, which can make everyday transactions cumbersome. If the government removes 3 zeros from the currency, a 10,000 dinar note would become 10 dinars, making the currency more practical for daily use. This type of reform has been implemented successfully in other countries. For example, Turkey removed 6 zeros from its currency in 2005, which helped stabilize its economy and improve investor confidence. If Iraq follows a similar path, it could make financial transactions more efficient while boosting trust in the dinar. The potential benefits of currency reform. 1. Easier transactions. Smaller denominations make everyday purchases simpler and reduce the reliance on large bundles of cash. 2. Increased investor confidence. A streamlined currency could attract foreign investors by signaling economic stability. 3. Better inflation control. Removing zeros could help reset public perception of the currency and reduce the psychological impact of inflation. Challenges of implementing currency reform. Despite its potential benefits, implementing a currency redenomination is not without risks. If done incorrectly, it could lead to confusion, panic, or even capital flight, where people withdraw their money from banks in fear of instability. To ensure a smooth transition, the Iraqi government and central bank must communicate the changes clearly to avoid misinformation and public panic. Implement a gradual transition to allow businesses and citizens to adapt. Ensure economic stability before executing the reform to prevent inflationary shocks. If managed correctly, this reform could be a turning point for Iraq's economy. However, careful planning and execution will be key to its success. Iraq's economic growth and the future of the dinar. Beyond currency reforms and digital banking, Iraq's overall economic outlook plays a crucial role in determining the future of the dinar. Oil as Iraq's economic backbone. Iraq is one of the world's largest oil producers, and its economy heavily depends on oil exports. Rising global oil prices have provided Iraq with increased revenue, allowing the government to invest in infrastructure, public services, and economic diversification. However, oil dependency also poses risks. Fluctuations in oil prices can impact Iraq's budget and currency value. To create a more stable economy, Iraq must focus on diversifying its revenue streams by investing in sectors such as agriculture, technology, and manufacturing. Foreign investment and trade agreements. Foreign investment is another key factor that could influence the dinar's value. Iraq has been working on strengthening trade partnerships and attracting international investors. Increased foreign capital inflows could stabilize the economy and support the currency's long-term appreciation. Additionally, Iraq's efforts to integrate into the global financial system, such as modernizing banking regulations and improving transparency, could enhance investor confidence and encourage more economic growth. What's next for the Iraqi dinar? While speculation about the dinar's future continues, several key factors will determine its trajectory. 1. Successful implementation of currency reforms. If Iraq removes zeros from its currency effectively, it could boost confidence and streamline financial transactions. 2. Continued economic stability. A strong economy, supported by oil revenues and foreign investment, will be crucial for the dinar's stability. 3. Advancements in digital finance. Expanding digital banking will improve financial transparency and attract more investors. 4th, international recognition. If Iraq secures global support for its financial reforms, it could pave the way for a stronger currency. The Iraqi dinar's future remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: significant changes are underway. Whether these changes lead to a stronger currency or continued speculation will depend on how Iraq navigates its economic reforms, financial modernization, and global integration. As the world watches closely, investors and financial analysts will continue to monitor Iraq's progress, hoping to gain insights into what lies ahead for the dinar. For now, staying informed and analyzing market trends will be crucial for anyone interested in Iraq's evolving financial landscape. Final thoughts. The Iraqi dinar has long been a subject of speculation, and recent developments suggest that major financial transformations could be on the horizon. While digital banking, currency reforms, and economic stabilization offer promising prospects, challenges remain. For those tracking the dinar, the key takeaway is to remain cautious, avoid making hasty financial decisions based purely on speculation, and stay informed about Iraq's economic policies. Whether the dinar experiences significant appreciation or gradual stability, the future of Iraq's currency will be shaped by its government's ability to implement sound financial strategies. What are your thoughts on the Iraqi dinar's future? Will these reforms lead to a stronger currency, or is the recent excitement temporary? Share your opinions and stay tuned for more.